Hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to making this part in Catia software. Okay, so to waste any time, let's get started. And close this default window. And I want to make one part. Click on mechanical design, part design. Give a part name. Click on OK. So see the part once. Okay, I'll make this feature first. Okay, so okay, click on geometrical set. I'll add one geometrical set. Click on OK. Okay, now click on the position sketch. Select this. Select the front plane. Click on OK. I'll select the profile tool and make this profile now. Okay, okay, I'll take one line only. Select the profile tool. I'll start from here. First point. Okay, thing is profile tool, first point, and see the dimensions, right? So accordingly, you will adjust your scale. Unlike SolidWorks Creo, Catia won't adjust the screen based on your given dimension. Okay, okay, now give dimensions. I know this is 3 and this is 3. This is 3 enter and this is also 3 enter. And from here to here, how much distance? 28. Double click 28 enter. Control Z. Okay, there's an angle, right? So 78.7 enter. And then this distance is 5 enter. And from here to here, how much it is given? 19. Double click 19 enter. Okay, and yeah, from this to this 45 degrees enter. And what is the length? 18. Okay, and this is 28. Okay, yeah, yes, we don't need this line as of now. This is also, and this is also. Okay, 23. So from this to this line is the distance of 23. And okay, now this point is not constrained, and we have to take one line here and chamfer line. Okay, now I need to constrain them first. This length is 3 mm only, and this angle is 45 degrees. And from this line to this, there is a distance of 11 mm. Okay, okay, fine. And there is a one more distance from this point to this. There is a gap of double click 10, enter. Okay. Okay, now I can take the 3-point arc, first point, second point, like this way. And you need a one diameter or radius for this arc. Since we are not having anything, I will consider it. Okay, now every sketch is fully constrained. Now exit. We can use the pad command to add material. Okay, click on OK. I'll keep the mirror extent, which is only 8 mm, right? Click on preview, click on OK. And of course we need to add two chamfers here. Those are available here, 45 degrees and 2 only. Click on preview. Yeah, click on OK. And the next, okay, you can see 14 dia in this hole. Okay, okay, we will do that later. Okay, here what I want to do is click on position sketch again, select this plane, click on OK, select one line as an axis of rotation, and then from this point to this outermost edge, the dimension is given, which is 43. Double click 43, enter, select the file, okay, I think we can join them, we can use the boolean operations, and then this, what is the diameter of this outer, okay, 8, that means 4, from this to this, 17.4, double click 17.4 divided by 2, enter, and then 6 mm, and from here to here 12 mm. Exit, then use the revolve option now, or else this shaft. Okay, I'll keep 180 degrees only. I don't want to make any other steps. Okay, reverse direction, click on preview. Okay, click on OK. In the next, click on position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Okay, let's select the axis first. Okay, and first point, second point, then you can trim F, trim this, trim this. Okay, 5.5 divided by 2 enter, and it is 2 mm height only, and this is 5 mm. I click vertical measurement 5 enter, and then this diameter 5, double click 5 enter, and then 14, that means 7. Question would be, yeah, I want to coincident, and then this is 3 mm only. Okay, now exit. Okay, you can use the shaft or groove, and axis you can choose this axis, or else right click height and choose this, click on preview. Okay, you can 360, click on OK. Okay, okay, what we can do, we can delete. So 3, from here to here, right click, constant. So I'll keep this 6, exit. Okay, so this is how you can make the part. Okay, so next video we'll be seeing about the drafting. Okay, like a real engineer, we will talk about how a design engineer has to give the drawings, and what are the tolerances ranges that we have to maintain, and how can we apply the GD in these. Those and all things we will be discussing the upcoming sessions. Okay, so yeah, one more thing we forgot about it. Okay, we need to add one blue, right? So click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK, select the line command, from this to here, and one circle, from this to edge 12 only, and this is 1.5 only, center to this edge, right click, coincident. Now exit with the shaft command again. Okay, and yes, I can choose this. Just select this shaft. Okay, what we can do, we can hide this, or else make it construction. Exit and shaft command. Okay, axis. Whenever you place it on the cylindrical surface, it will show the axis. Click on preview, click on OK. This is how you can make this part. Okay, and there is one more circle cut out here. The diameter of that, it is not given. Anyway, that will take one more step only. I'm not doing now. Don't forget to save this part, so it will be useful in our upcoming drafting sessions. Okay. And make it as YouTube. So for Catia. Okay, part one. Let's close this one. Yeah, that's all about this video, guys.